Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding Odoo ORM. To be focused, we are going to discuss regarding record set operations in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 12 where I have already installed our custom module, that is Odoo development tutorials module. OM hospital is already installed this module. So we will discuss regarding the record set operations like filtered, mapped, sorted in this video. So if I go to the hospital module and if I go to the appointments and if I switch to the tree view and if I open any of the record, here you can see I have added a new button called record set operations for illustrating the topic. So if I go to the PyCharm and if I take the corresponding codes, so I'll go to the custom folder and I'll go to the OM hospital module. So I'll just scroll down and I'll open OM hospital. Then in the views, I want to go to appointment.xml file. So here you can see I have just installed a button, that is to illustrate the record set operations. We need some Python function to get executed. So for that purpose I just added a new button here called name test record set type is object, so that it will call a Python function. String is given as record set operations, and in the corresponding model, that is hospital.appointment. So if I go to the models folder and if I take the appointment.py, here you can see I have defined the corresponding function called diff test record set, and inside I have just added a print. So let's discuss regarding the filtered, sorted and mapped record set operations in Odoo ORM. So first let's start with mapped. So if you search inside the Odoo code, so I'll just close the custom and if I go to the add-ons and if you make a search of mapped, so if I searched mapped inside the Odoo code in the Python section, so if I search mapped inside the Odoo code section, here you can see there is a lot of use of mapped inside the Odoo code. So first we are going to discuss how we can use the mapped record set operation in Odoo. So for that purpose, first of all, what I will do is that I'll just exit from here and I'll just search all the existing partners in the database. So using the search operations, partners equal to self.env, and I have to specify the model name res.partner. Res.partner is the model name dot search, and I will give the empty domain so that all the partners will be fetched. So take a case where you need to get the names of all the partners in the database. Suppose right now once we do this we will get all the partner records. So if I click on, if I print these partners, if I'll just make a print, that is I will print all the partners that I have searched, that is self.env res.partner.search. So I'll just restart the service to get the change. As I have made changes in the Python code, I have to restart the service and I will just click on the record set operation button and let's see what's coming inside the log. So here you can see we are getting all the partner records like this. So let's take a case where you need to get the names of the partner, not the ID. Instead, right now here you can see you are getting as a record set like res partner 14, 26, 33, etc. But you need to get a list of names of all the partners. So there comes the use of the mapped. So this is just a use case. You will have a lot of applications in the Odoo. So I'm just going with an example of getting the list of partner names. So there you can use the mapped function. So I'll just use dot mapped of, I'll specify the field name. I have to get the value from the name field. So let's restart the service and see the change. So here I had given partners dot mapped name, so it will return the list of partner names. So I will again click on record set operations, and if I check the log, here you can see you are getting Assure Interior, Brendan Freeman, which is the partners inside the database. So I will duplicate this tab, and if I go to contacts menu, so I think yeah, contacts is already installed, and here you can see you have got Assure Interior, like that. You can see all the names coming here in the log. So right now I have mapped using the field name. If you need to get another field, like if I go to the partner, here you can see partners have phone number. So if you need to get the phone, so first of all, to get the phone number, let me check the field name. So I have to activate the debug mode. So I'll activate the debug mode using the debug mode extension I have already installed, or you can just do it from the URL by entering debug equal to, and if I check the field name of the phone, you can see it's phone. Technical name is phone. So instead of giving name here, I will give phone, and I'll just restart the service And again I will come to the appointments and I'll just click on record set operations button and see what coming in the log. So here you can see the list of partner phone number is coming. Earlier when we have given name, it returns the list of names, but right now it's returning list of phone numbers. Like that we can map any fields. Suppose if we need to get emails, list of emails, here I have got the email, the field name will be email, technical name is also email. So I'll just change email phone to email, so it will return the list of things, list of emails of the all the partners. So let's click once more the record set button. So let's wait. So it will return all the emails, like you can see assureinterior@example.com. like that you will get the emails of the all the partners. So that's the use case of the record set operation called mapped. Now let's move to next, that is sorted. So it is another record set operation which is available in Odoo. It is sorted. So as we search inside the code, let's search for the sorted function. So dot sorted. So if I search dot sorted inside the Odoo code, you can see a lot of use case inside the Odoo, like dot sorted, like we can sort it based on the date, etc. So I'll just copy this function, control C, and I'll click on escape, and I will paste it here. Like suppose we need to sort based on the create date, partners dot sorted uh, date, create date. Right now if I need to sort the partners based on their create date, I can just do it like this. I'll come to it, I'll let me update the string sorted partners, and here I'll print mapped partners. So partners dot sorted, and inside this sorted, using lambda function, we have to specify based on which key in the corresponding model. So we know the model is rs dot partner, so we have to specify a field name inside the model to specify to based on which value we have to sort. So right now I'm going to sort based on the create date field, which is sure that it will be there for every model. So let's restart the service and see what happens. So I have given sorted partners equal to partners dot sorted off, and using lambda function o colon o dot create date. So I'm going to sort based on the create date. So let's go to the browser and let's create on the record set operations button, and let's see what happens. So here you can see it's the order is first order is I res dot partner of 1, then 14th id is created, then 16, like that it's created. So let's change these. So right now you can see the value is coming, order is 1 14 26. So let's change the order to right date. So let's, if you need to sort based on the right date, let's see what happens. So I have changed the create date to the right date, and if I click on the record set operations, so earlier the order was 1 14 and 16. So right now you can see the order has been changed, it was 26 23 33 and 27. So to ensure this, now I will go to the UI and I will just edit any of the records. So I'll create a new record. So let's see whether it has will be coming at the first. So I have created a new contact called DDD, and its ID is 42. You can see in the URL its ID is 42. Now I'll go to this tab and I'll just clear the log section, and I'll click on the this button. So let's see the position. So right now 26 coming, and I think the 42 will be at the last because it's in the ascending order of the right date. So least right date will be coming at the first. Right now the least right date is coming at the first, and suppose if we need to come the 42 at the first, I think you can give the change the order here. So if I search control shift F, you can specify the order like ascending or descending. So I'm not sure, let me check the existing code to get a sample. Graph value the reverse, yeah, you can pass reverse equal to true. So control C, and I will apply the reverse equal to true. So by default, once we give like this, it will be in the ascending order. So if we need to get in the descending order, you have to pass reverse equal to true. So we are sorting the partners based on the right date. So last right date has to be comes at the first. So I have given the reverse equal to true here, and let's click on the record set operations button, so that the 42 will be coming at the first. So you can see 42 is coming at the first. Now let's edit some another existing records in the database and see whether the order will be get changed or not. So I'll choose any of the random record from here, and I'll just update their address. So once we update the address, definitely the right date also will get updated to the today. So this record has to be comes at the first. So you can see the ID is 9. So let's see what happens if I click on record set operations. So I have clicked, and if I scroll down, 9 has to be comes at the first. So here you can see the rest dot partner 9 is coming at the first. So you can see 42 has been gone back. Might this child may have child IDs, that's why it is also coming. So let's see, ensure that wood center will have child IDs. Yeah, you can see they have also child IDs, they have their right date also updated. That's why the 42 record has been gone at the fourth position. So that's all about the sorted function. So you can just use partners dot sorted, and inside the lambda or you have to specify on based on which field you have to sort. And if you need to get in the descending order, you have to pass reverse equal to true along with this. So we have already covered mapped and sorted. Now we have one more operation, that is filtered. So if I search the filtered inside the Odoo, so similarly as we have searched mapped and sorted, I'll search filtered. So from the name itself, you can get to understand the usage of the filter. It will help us to filter the records. So I'll just copy these, that is filtered, Control C, and I'll just click on escape button. So I'll just Control D, and I'll just update the string that I have given. Filtered partners. I'll just update like that. There is a spelling mistake. I'll just update it. And instead of sorted, I will paste what we have copied. So filtered based on category ID. So right now we are fetching all the contacts. So let's take a case where you need to filter only customers. So you can just give here, you can give a value O and O dot. I have to filter only customers. So if you need to filter only customers from the partner, here we can see we have got a boolean field is a customer. So if I place the mouse over, you can see the technical name of the field is customer. So let's filter all the customers in the database customer. So I'll give the field. So the condition is that we have to filter based on the customer. That is, it will filter the records with having customer field as true. So I'll just restart the service, and I will click on the button which execute our function record set operations. So if I wait here, you can see filtered partners, that is 14. Right now 14 is there. So let's open the record with ID 14. So I'll just change the ID here in the URL to 14, and the record is assurant here. So assurant is right now is a customer. So I'll just do one thing, I'll just edit and make it him as a non-customer, and let's see whether it is coming inside. So once we have clicked right now, in the filtered partners 14 was there, and from the UI we have marked him as not a customer. And let's click the button once again and see whether the 14 will remain in that there. I have clicked, and if you check the new result, you can see inside the filter partner 14 is not there. And if I click on go to 26th record, so from here I'll just edit the ID to 26, and I will just also unmark him as a customer, so that he won't coming inside the filtration. So I have removed him from it list, and I'll just click on record set operation again. And if I go to the log, the 26 won't be there. You can see 26 is not there. Suppose let's say take a case where you need to change or you need to get those fields for which customer is not set. So right now the condition is customer equal to true. Let's take a case where you need to filter those records where customer equal to not set. So just you can pass not here, not or dot customer, that it means customer equal to false. So let's filter that one. So I have to go to the browser, and I'll click on record set operations button. So I'll click on it. You can scroll down, you can see there are two records, that is 14 and 26, which we have marked right just few minutes before. So this is the record set operations available in Odoo, that is mapped, sorted and filter. So it will have different use case. So just to illustrate, I have just opted this method to illustrate this. So there will be have different use case while you are creating a report, and if you need to filter something, you can use this filter. And if you need to sort the records based on some dates, you can just use it, and you can use mapped also. So that's all about this video. Hope if you feel the video is helpful for you, you can just click on the like button and subscribe the channel to get notified regarding all the updates. So that's it, thank you.